Why my brother's sewing machine doesn't sew. Method 1. Check thread and settings. Step 1. Make sure your needle is in the up position. Step 2. Check if your thread is not missing any steps. Step 3. Check the tension settings. Step 4. If you are hearing a click sound from the bobbin area, then open it and check if it has been set up properly. Step 5. Turn the machine off. Step 6. Remove the pressure foot. Step 7. Unscrew the 2 screws. Step 8. Open the cover. Step 9. Remove the bobbin. Step 10. Take out the needle plate. Step 11. Check for any loose threads. Step 12. Clean the area if needed. Step 13. Reassemble all the parts. Step 14. Insert our bobbin and thread it. Step 15. Close the cover. Step 16. Insert the pressure foot. Method 2. Rethread the machine again. Step 1. Turn off your machine. Step 2. Cut the bread. Step 3. Remove the thread. Step 4. Open the cover. Step 5. Remove the bobbin. Step 6. Set it up again. Step 7. Check if the indication line on the handwheel is lined up with the seam of the sewing machine to ensure your needle is at the highest position and the pressure foot is up. Step 8. Uplift the spool pin and insert the bobbin thread. Step 9. Place the thread under the thread guide according to the numbers shown on the machine. Step 10. Go towards the pressure foot and catch the thread in the thread guide. Step 11. Gently pull the thread to the left and make sure it doesn't break. Step 12. Catch the thread under the threader lever. Step 13. Press the threader lever as much as possible, place the small hook near the needle, and insert the thread. Step 14. Release the thread lever. Step 15. Pull the thread loop passing through the needle's eye. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.